I want you to think back to 5 years ago, or maybe even 10 years ago. If you look back at who you were at the time and who you are now, would that person be proud of you today? Be honest. Would your younger self from 5 or 10 years ago be happy and proud of who that person became today? In this video, I'm going to talk about what I would do if I could talk to my younger self and what I would say. For me personally, 5 years ago, even 10 years ago, I was about 16 years old. Okay. 5 years ago, I was 21 years old. Okay. Today, I'm 26 years old. And the younger version of me was someone that was, you know, a less refined version of me today. They were erratic, they were impulsive, right? And even though that younger version of me was very intelligent, right, and very aspirational, that younger version of me had no direction. So that younger version of me had no idea how they wanted to do what they wanted to do. I had all the ideas in the world 10 years ago or 5 years ago. The problem was that I didn't know how to execute on it. And you maybe watching this video, maybe feeling the exact same way. Well, I'm here to tell you this. What would you say to that younger version of yourself? Would you tell the younger version of yourself something different? Would you do something different than what you're doing today? And I can almost guarantee that a lot of you watching this video absolutely would do something different than what you're doing today. For me, personally, with the way my life has played out, the younger version of me would think I'm super cool. The younger version of me would think, hell yes, I became this person. And I was very intentional about the steps and the direction that I wanted to go to and go through from 5 years ago till today. For me personally, I didn't actively, right? And the pursuit of success is an active pursuit. I didn't actively start wanting to change my life up until 5 years ago. Okay, this was 2020. I actively set out to seek out information and knowledge that would personally change my life. And the reason why I was got to the position where I wanted to do this actively was because I realized very, very quickly that life was cruel to man, right? A man who didn't have any value, a man who didn't contribute anything of substance to society. And the reason why I am making this video today is because I realized that I actually ended up becoming the man I wanted to be from 10 years ago. And obviously, today, 10 years from now, I want to be a different man. And that ambition, right? That aspiration, that insatiable thirst for self-improvement is what will get me to where I want to get to today. And there's a lot of people out there, and you may be one who have that aspiration. You have that thirst. You have that hunger to want to get to your higher self, but you don't actively pursue that. You don't actively take the action every single day to accomplish that. And really, that is the only difference, right? The difference between the person who achieves their goal and the person who continues to dream and talk about their goal is action. Action is the gap in between. Okay. And 99% of the time, we know exactly what we need to do, but we just don't do it. We just make excuses. And trust me, there's an excuse for any and everything. But what you need to understand is that the excuse is fine, but the excuse will get in the way of where you want to be. So you can sacrifice something. You can either sacrifice the excuse or you can sacrifice where you want to get to. And at the end of the day, we all get to make choices. And some people choose to sacrifice where they want to get to for the excuse, because the excuse may sound good, right? And I'm not saying your excuses aren't good. Your excuses may very well be good and valid. You may be going through challenges and difficulties in your life. However, you can choose to let that stop you, because at the end of the day, it is a choice. So the reason why I'm making this video is really for my younger self from 10 years ago, okay? And I want to say to that person, and I realized that I did end up becoming the person that I aspired to be. From 5 years ago, I wanted to be able to escape my 9 to 5. That was like my main goal. That was, to me, that was freedom, right? And to me, that was success. And I have been able to achieve that by actively pursuing that. And the video is also to my future self 10 years from now, to say that I want to be that guy. I want to be dominate the world. I want to speak on global stages. I want to be able to wake up and basically go wherever I want, anytime I want, with anyone I want. And that is a pretty massive and pretty big goal. And I believe that with the same principles I've learned for the last 5 years, I apply that same principles for the next 10 years. It is inevitable. It is impossible for me to not achieve that goal. And I want to empower my audience and you watching this video today, that if you're not proud, if the younger version of you is not proud of who you have become, you have work to do, okay? And work is good. Work is where you find passion. Work is where you find purpose. And if you are in pursuit of that satisfaction of your younger self, that is good. That is the purpose that drives every single individual, especially us men, because society treats us very differently if we don't provide something of value. So find what's valuable to you, find what is worth it to you, and actively pursue it. Because as a man, if you're not proud, if your younger version of yourself is not proud of who you become today, then you're not done. You're not working hard enough. And if you don't have aspirations to become a higher version of yourself in the future, then you have a big problem, because that is where you become stagnant, and that's where you lack growth as an individual and as a man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope guys start and scale the car rental business so that they can achieve the life that they want to live, so that they can make the younger versions of themselves proud. So if you're ready for that, make sure you jump in the free Facebook community. In the Facebook community, I choose my students who would be a part of our car rental community. That way you can start and scale to $10,000 every single month, okay? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.